Okay, so we are celebrating Pet Poison Prevention Awareness Month. Kind of a mouthful, but we're going to take this opportunity to talk about some toxins in our pets. So our first week, we're going to talk about foods that are toxic to pets. So main one we're going to start with is called methylxanthanes. Big word for our chocolates, coffee, green tea, basically those things that contain a lot of caffeine and chocolate. The first thing you're going to see with your pets is agitation, hyperactivity, but those are just the mild signs. Eventually it can lead to tremors and cardiac arrhythmias, which is where we get into big trouble. Baker's chocolate, white chocolate are your bigger issues. Milk chocolate is a little less on the list for toxicities. So if your pet eats chocolate, be sure to let your vet know exactly what type of chocolate it is and how much they ate, and they can figure out what kind of toxicity level we're looking at. Our second one we're going to talk about is grapes and raisins. So unfortunately, we don't know exactly what the substance is that is causing the toxin in our pets, but all we know is eventually it can lead to kidney failure. So if your pet ingests a grape or a raisin, even if it was just one, let the vet know, get them to vomit as soon as you can. Another big one is xylitol, which is a sugar substitute, and cinnamon actually falls under this category as well. This is a sugar substitute that is found in a lot of sugarless gum and some also baking substitutes for sugar, so for salivation, but they can cause severe hypoglycemia and eventually lead to liver failure. So very important to get your pet in right away if you notice they eat any sugarless gum. The next topic is garlic and onions. These actually cause destruction of red blood cells, so it can cause severe anemia if your pet eats enough of them in the kitchen to stay away from. Avocados are actually non-toxic to dogs and cats. They do pose a risk for a foreign body with that pit, but extremely lethal to birds and can cause heart damage in birds. Milk. Dogs and cats are actually lactose intolerant. They don't contain the enzyme called lactase that helps break down that lactose. So any milk products can cause pretty severe diarrhea. Macadamia nuts can cause weakness, depression, vomiting, tremors, hyperthermia. So keep your macadamia nuts away from your pets. And another one that's not well known, potato skins and also the green plants from tomatoes contain something called solanine, which can cause severe GI upset, abdominal discomfort, and even reports of coma and death. So keep all those food products away from your pet. If they accidentally get any of them, call your veterinarian right away. And stay tuned for the next few weeks. We're going to have much more information on toxins for you.